Let's start the question practice on class 12th matrices. Example number 4, and the topic is equity of the matrices. Okay, the question is, this is the example number 4 of NCERT. We find the values of A, B, X, Y and Z. Okay, so by the concept of equality, that suppose I say, once again, if suppose I say true matrix Aij and the second matrix Bij is said to be equal if both are equal, that is Aij is equal to Bij, that is all element of A is equal to the all element of B. Similarly, all element, that is A11 is equal to A11 of the second one. Let's say this is A and say this is B. So all the element of, we can say that the element of A is equal to the element of matrix P. Okay, now so clear become x plus 3 is equal to 0, say equation 1, z plus of 4, which is A12, which is equal to A12 of the B, equal to 6, equation 2, and 2y minus of 7 is equal to 3y plus of 2, equation number 3rd. Similarly, for the second row, that is the A minus of 1 is equal to minus of 3, equation number 4, and that is 0, which is equal to 2c plus of 2 in equation 5. And for equation 6, that is B minus of 3, which is equal to 2b plus of 4, equation 6. So in these cases, that is A, that is matrix B. Okay, so let's solve. From the 1 we get x is equal to minus of 3, z become 6 minus of 4, which was 2, and here it become, by the swapping we get 3y minus of 2y and minus 7 minus of 9, so y become minus of 2 minus of 9, and that is z. And for equation 4 we get A is equal to minus 3 plus of 1, which one A is equal to minus of 2, and in equation 5 we get 2c, which is 1 minus of 2, so this implies c become minus of 1. Similarly, 2b plus of 4 equal to b minus of 3, and we get b equal minus of 7. So all the A, B, C, X, Y, Z we obtain minus 3, 2, minus 9, minus 2, minus 1 and 7. Okay, so I write the question example number 5, basically question number 2, and here we can ask the question, ask like solve A, B, C, D and get. Okay, simple. If the matrix A and the matrix B are equal, then all the element of A is equal, all the element of B, that is aij of A m cross, and order must be same, and bij of B aij, which is equal to bij, for understanding the concept. Okay, now a11 equal to b11, so this means 2a plus of b, that is a11 equal to b11, that is 4. We can say this a11 equal to b11. Simple, the a12 b12, so a minus of 2b equal minus of 3, equation 1, equation 2, and 5c minus of d become 11 in equation 4, third, and similar 4c plus of 3d become 24 in equation 4. So solving these we get the answer. So first to solve a1 and 2, so here I can use now solving equation 1 and 2, we get once again I use the different that we had happen. 2a plus of b, once again 2a plus of b equal 4, and a minus of 2b become minus of 3. So if we add these two and multiplying the equation 1 by 2, so multiply equation 1 by 2 and add with equation 2, so multiply equation 1 by 2 and add with equation number 2, so we get 4a plus of 2b become 8, and a minus of 2b become minus of 3. Add together, both are cancelled, this become 5a become 5, so we get a is equal to 1. Okay, and now I use the second page once again. Okay, so in next page we get the answer A and put the value on equation 1 or 2, anything what you want. I say equation 2, so it become, the equation 2 is a minus of 2b equal to minus of 3, so 1 minus of 2b become minus of 3, and this implies minus of 2b become minus of 4 and b become plus of 2. Okay, and solving similarly the equation 3 and 4, I have equation that is 5c minus of d become 11 as equation number 3, and 4c plus of 3d which is equal to 24 as equation number 4. K, so multiply equation 3 by 3 and add with equation 4. Okay, so 15c minus of 3d become 33, and 4c minus plus of 3d become 24. Adding this, both are cancels, this become 19c, become 7 5, so C become 3. Okay, and put this value in equation 3. Equation 3, because it was nothing in the its coefficient. We get 5 into 3 become 15. Say 5 into 3, minus of D become 11. So minus of D, plus of 11 minus of 15, so D become what? It is 4, because minus of D become minus of 4, so cancel out. Okay, A, B, C, D. So our answer is A become 1, B become 2, C become 3, and D become 4. I hope you understand the concept of the equality of matrices. And now we solve the example number 4 and example number 5, and in next class we will be in the exercise 1.1. okay, bye bye, take care, and please solve this question. Bye bye.